Hey, Caleb Quick here for a quick video. I was working on these engines, and they are awesome. Got like a starting up, warming up animation in the material. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So, this is the node setup. We have vertex attributes. We add to it, multiply it by power, put that into the blackbody node, and where the emission is, and the strength of it is a different thing. And we also put it on a Suzanne. So let's just go back to the beginning and watch it on Sue. Yeah, I thought it was super awesome. I wanted to share. We killed it quick. Don't die.